Here's how to remove app passwords from your Google account to keep your account secure. Start by opening any browser on your phone or computer and go to myaccount.google.com. Make sure you're signed into the Google account you want to manage. On the left menu, or at the top if you're on mobile, tap Security. Scroll down until you reach the section titled Signing In to Google. Now tap App Passwords. Google will ask you to enter your account password again for verification. After that, you'll see a list of apps and devices that are currently using app passwords. To remove an app password, simply tap the trash icon next to the app name. Google will immediately revoke access for that device or app. Repeat this for any old, unused, or suspicious entries. App passwords allow older apps or devices to sign in without two-step verification. If a device is lost, sold, or compromised, removing its app password protects your account. If you want to stop using app passwords altogether, turn on Google two-step verification with modern authentication apps like Google Authenticator. Most newer apps won't need app passwords at all. And that's it. You've successfully removed app passwords from your Google account.